In this short video, I'll briefly show you how to work with new EEG conclusion generation system for structured automated EEG conclusions. In new neuronspectrum.net version, we can now create the structured EEG reports like this, with some title, with some passport section, which are filled automatically from patient card. Here we can find information about patient and information about acquisition, reason for referral for EEG examination, diagnosis, and description of background EEG activity, like this table with colored values. And also conclusion, which we can type manually with keyboard of our PC, or we can use glossary window with already predefined lots of phrases which we can put in our report. For example, classification by Luders, description of epileptiform activity, and normal and contextually normal patterns of EEG activity. To add any phrase from glossary to the report, we just need to press left mouse button on this phrase and it will be automatically moved to the report. Also, we can add our own phrases to this glossary. If we press edit button here, we can use context menu to add new groups of phrases, and we can add new sentences to our new group. We can use just normal text, or we can use text with formatting, where we can choose the formatting of our text and use internal tags values. Now let's see how to work with new patterns for this report generation. Report templates editor, EEG examination report short. Now we open report template editor, where we can set up our report. For example, we can change typical Neurosoft logo by the logo of your hospital. Also, here on the right side, we can type the name of the hospital. We can change the report title. For example, like this. Here we can see the automatical part of our report, which use the system tags. For example, tag name will change to real name of our patient. Tag age will be replaced by actual age of our patient by examination date. Then we will see results of anamnesis as a reason of referral for EEG examination. If diagnosis is not empty, it will be also included to the report with title diagnosis. And here description of background EEG activity. Here we can see the name of the parameter and the tag. This is the user tags actually. And here on the right side, we can see the total list of all user tags for this report template. EEG examination protocol short. Here with edit button, we can manage the list of our user tags. For example, we can add our new user tag. Use add button. We can name it. For example, I'll add the tag for epileptiform activity type. I'll call it epi type. The name will be epileptic activity type, and the value will be the list. Also, I can add the list of available values for this tag. For example, first of all, no activity. Then, for example, the next one will be general activity. Generalized activity. Then the next value for this tag will be focal epileptiform activity. And so on. We can add more and more. And also here we can choose the color mark for each our value. For example, if we have no epileptiform activity recorded, we can mark this text with green color. If we have generalized or focal activity, we can mark this color as red one. Okay. Now we have a new tag called epi type. We can see it in this list, and we also can add it to our report text. For example, here epilepsy type, and put the name of our new tag, epi type. Okay, let's save and close the report template. And now create new report according to this report template. Put the name of report, and then we should put all values for all our user tags which we have defined for this report template. For example, such as background frequency, normal, moderate slow or slow, EEG signal amplitude normal or reduced, and so on. And here in the bottom we can see our new user tag, epileptic activity type, where we can choose, for example, generalized or focal activity. Press OK button, and then software automatically generalized this report template with new title, with all information about patient from the patient card, with all information about acquisition settings, with diagnosis, reason of EEG examination, and our table with all entered parameters, including our new user tag, epilepsy type, generalized. And in conclusion, we can type some text manually, or we can use phrases from our own groups or from other groups in our glossary. So this is all I wanted to show you about new report generation system in neuronspectrum.net software.